Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on Android device, and then I will show you how to change it on Apple device. But some Android phones have system what's similar to iOS, I mean visually, so maybe you will have another location for this feature, and I recommend it to check also Apple part. Now let's move to change it on Android. So open settings, and then you need to scroll down. We need to find accessibility, and on my phone it's located at the bottom. Click on it and then scroll down again, and right here we need to find audio adjustment, and it also on my phone located at the bottom. Click on it, and here it is, we have volume balance. So to increase the volume for your right earbud, you need to move this dot to the right earbud. But once you increase it for the right earbud, you will lower it for the left earbud. And if you use full right earbud, you will totally mute a sound on your left earbud. Now, to increase it for the left earbud, you need to move this dot to the left. But once you increase it for the left earbud, you will lower it for the right earbud. And it's the same if you use full left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. And that's it for Android device. Now let's move to Apple device. On your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to find accessibility, and on iPhone it's located under the general settings. So click this line, and now we need to scroll down again, and in the hearing we have something like audio and visual, and we need to click at this line. Scroll down just a bit, and right here we have volume balance. To increase it for the right earbud, you need to move this slider to the right. But once you increase it for the right earbud, you will lower the volume on your left earbud. And if you use 100% for the right earbud, you will totally mute the sound on your left earbud. Now, to increase it for the left earbud, you need to move this slider to the left. And it's the same system as with the right one, so once you increase it for the left earbud, you will lower it for the right earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!